Hi everyone, I'm Yizhen Li, a graduate student studying linguistics at Memorial University of Newfoundland. In this short video, I'm showing you my research project on a topic of the copular 是 and copular construction in Mandarin Chinese. In Mandarin Chinese, the copular is 是. It typically occurs with a predicated nominal and follows a subject as in a Mandarin Chinese sentence, 李四是学生, meaning 李四 is a student in English. Now, let me further describe the sentence structure of 李四是学生. Here you see there are 4 lines, and each line shows different content. The first line shows you the orthography of Mandarin Chinese, namely Hanzi Chinese character. The second line shows you the phonetic spelling, pinyin, of each character in the first line. Note that the diacritic symbols on vowels stand for tones in Mandarin Chinese. The third line shows you an interlinear word-by-word gloss. And the final line shows an English translation. In Mandarin Chinese, a sentence like 李四是学生 is a typical copular sentence with a noun phrase subject 李四, the copular 是, and the predicated nominal 学生. It has a form noun phrase, copular, noun phrase, with a copulative linking meaning. In other words, the post-copular predicate 学生 indicates a property of the subject 李四. Semantically, the post-copular nominal predicate 学生 constitutes new information of the whole preposition. Now, here is a question. What is a grammatical category of the copular 是 in modern Mandarin Chinese, and why? This question is significant in current research because it sheds light on whether there involves any syntactic change in the development of the copular structure over time. So let's hear the answer from some native Mandarin Chinese speakers. Let's go.
Based on my personal intuition, I think the copular 是 is in Mandarin Chinese is a verb, because in a Chinese sentence like 他是一个学生, which means in English he is a student, indicates affirmative. If you say something like 他不是学生, which means in English he is not a student, indicates negative. And in Mandarin Chinese, verbs can be both affirmative or negative, as in the following sentences like 他昨天吃饭了 means he ate dinner yesterday. 他昨天没吃饭 means he did not eat dinner yesterday.
Hi, so I do believe that the copular 是 in Mandarin Chinese is a preposition. I do have one Mandarin sentence that I can prove this. For example, if I say 你在不在家, that means are you at home? So 在 in here is equal to at. So at is a preposition in this sentence. And if I say 你是不是学生, are you a student? So in this sentence, 是 is also the same, is in the same position with at. So I believe it's also gonna belong to the preposition. Anyway, this is just my opinion. Thank you.
I think copular 是 is in Mandarin Chinese is a verb. And because I think she connect a subject and an object, and as in Chinese sentence like 她是美女, meaning she is a beauty in English.
It looks like that the copular 是 is either a verb or a preposition in modern Mandarin Chinese. This raises another interesting question. Is the copular 是 a content word that has its own semantic meaning, or a functional word without meaning? According to Wang's 1937 research, he initially suggested that the copular 是 in modern Mandarin Chinese developed from a demonstrative pronoun 是 that was found in archaic Chinese. For example, in the classical Chinese literature called 论语, there is a sentence, 富与贵是人之所欲也, meaning wealth and nobility. These are the things people want. Zhang and Tragel's 2019 study describes that the copular 是 in this example is a demonstrative pronoun that functions as an anaphor referring back to the preceding topic phrase, namely 富与贵, meaning wealth and nobility. So, here is a hypothesis I'm assuming in current study. The copular 是 undergoes a procedure of grammaticalization. By definition, grammaticalization refers to a kind of language change in which a lexical item takes on grammatical function. So the copular 是, which originally was a content word, is grammaticalized in modern Mandarin Chinese, and finally becomes a functional word that loses its semantic content. In current study, I intend to test the hypothesis by analyzing data collected from various sources, including books such as 论语 and 世说新语, classical Chinese corpus created and managed by Peking University, spoken data from conversational interviews of native Mandarin Chinese speakers.